Hey there, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about a key thing that stops the signs of aging, actually stops aging in the body and your skin. And that key component is something we talked a lot about the last month, and that is collagen. Supporting the collagen production in your body and skin is so very important. A lot of misinformation out there, even though there have been several studies that have come out in the last couple of years supporting collagen supplementation through the diet and through supplements, but it can get really confusing. I've read the studies, continue to read the studies, and also see the differing opinions of medical and skin professionals. So if it creates a conundrum for me, I really understand the difficulty in knowing what to do. And as I just spoke, I really have done a lot of deep dives into collagen, why it's important, how it works in your body, how you can support it, both through diet and through supplementation. So for today's compilation video, I am taking the latest information that I've put out on collagen through diet and through supplementation. So important to me personally is supporting my own collagen. I've even released my own collagen product. So this video will take you just through the information you need to know on supplementation and how to get collagen peptides or proteins from your diet. And as is always the case with these compilation videos, any information or links that you need will be provided in the video description below the video, and the video broken into chapters. So not really necessary to write anything down unless you want to, because all that information will be there for you when you finish the video. Collagen, the very glue that holds us all together. The problem is we begin losing collagen in the body at age 25, and it just accelerates from there. In fact, starting at age 25, you lose about 1% per year, and by the age of 50, most people have lost 25 to 50% of the collagen that they had when they were younger. Since collagen is the very glue that holds us all together, it's very important to try to hang on to as much of that as we can. And the good news is you can do that through supplementation. There have been several new high-quality studies that included biopsies to test the efficacy of collagen peptides added to the diet, proving once and for all that not only did it slow or stop collagen loss in individuals in those studies, it actually increased the collagen levels in the skin and body. Really, really good news if you're younger, like in your 20s, because you can do something about it now to stop the loss. Even better news for those of us who are older, like me, I'm 61, and lucky for me, having been an esthetician in skincare for the last 38 years, I learned about collagen a lot earlier than a lot of other folks did and use it myself every day. Now, what we're talking about here is not collagen itself, but collagen peptides, the actual amino acids that your body uses to create and build and hang on to collagen. And there are a variety of ways in which you can get these peptides through diet and also again through supplementation. But there's a key factor, a nutrient, a vitamin that you must have also in your diet and enough of it in your body to actually help these amino acids do the work that they need to do. And that would be vitamin C. And of course, getting and maintaining the appropriate level of vitamin C in the body can be achieved through your diet, such as citrus fruits, and also supplementation. And then of course, there are different sources for these amino acids: hydrolyzed marine collagen peptides or bovine collagen peptides that can be added to food or beverages in their powder form. And for convenience, you can also get collagen peptides in gummy form, which is something that I use. I travel a lot and it just makes it a lot easier. So I'm able to ensure that I get what I need every single day. Now, supporting collagen production should be a key part of everyone's overall health and anti-aging strategy. That's why I'm excited to introduce a new formula of collagen peptides in a gummy form that meet my high standards called Replenish Mode. And why I'm excited about this new formula of mine is that it does some key things that you don't find in common collagen peptide products. This formulation of marine-based collagen peptides also includes the vitamin C that you need to help with collagen production synthesis, protect the collagen you do have, and improve the skin's hydration, elasticity, firmness, and brightness. It also includes vitamin E, which helps protect your existing collagen, and improving your overall skin's health, hydration, through its antioxidant protection. And here's what really makes this formulation of collagen peptide gummies so special. We've included the vitamin biotin. Biotin and collagen peptides together help support your skin's structure, helping to tighten and improve the elasticity in your skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles, the sagging of skin, and supporting the production of the fatty acids that build your skin's barrier, helping to improve overall hydration and reducing dryness. Taking just 2 of these per day gives you all of those benefits in one dose in a natural citrusy orange flavor. So if you're looking for a way to really support the collagen levels in your skin and body, Replenish Mode Collagen Peptide Gummies could be the very answer you've been looking for. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about something very important, a way to improve the collagen levels in your skin. That's right, pushing out fine lines and wrinkles, getting that elasticity back. But we're not going to do it through skincare. We're going to talk about food that you have to buy anyway and what you could be doing in your diet that can make a big difference in how much collagen your body's producing and how much of it you hang on to. So get ready to learn the 8 collagen building foods that you should be including in your diet. All right, so let's have some fun with this. This is my favorite time of year. We're filming this in October, the season of harvest, which is the perfect time to talk about these foods and what they can be doing to help build collagen in your skin. All right, so clearly there's something in this bag I want to share with you. Now I'm going to try to keep today's video moving along. There's 8 categories of these foods. I'm limiting myself to a minute, but don't worry. If you need to skip around or come back, I will put chapters in this video. You can do that. But quickly, before we jump into that, if you happen to be new to my channel and not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris Gibson, a skincare expert. I've been in skincare helping people for over 38 years. Yeah, I'm a little bit older than you might think. And my job and the job of the channel is to help you have the healthiest, best looking skin ever, no matter what your age is. All right, so let's jump in. And I want you guys to interact with me a little bit today and let me know in the comments which of these are your favorites, which of them surprised you, and which of them you're going to include in your diet moving forward. The first food group on the list that is very helpful for collagen building in the body, and especially for your skin, are citrus fruits. Yes, citrus fruits. Fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons, all very good at providing that dose of vitamin C that you need naturally through your diet to maintain your overall health, but to help build that collagen and keep those elastin fibers strong. Vitamin C, super antioxidant, helping you look beautiful from the inside out. Next up on the list, berries. Berries, which are actually some of my favorite things, like strawberries and blueberries, very high in vitamin C as well, packed with antioxidants that help preserve the collagen you already do have, helping to block free radical damage and stop the oxidation of your very skin cells. Number 3, and next up on the list, tomatoes. Also a good source of vitamin C and antioxidants, but more importantly, the nutrients you find in tomatoes also give your skin its own sun protection, helping to protect your skin cells from skin cancer. Obviously, adding tomatoes to your leafy green salads, and we talk about that here on the channel all the time, all have the mineral components that your body needs, both for bone health and for skin health. Any guesses as to what I'm going to pull out of the bag next? Bell peppers. Yes, bell peppers, especially the yellow and red versions. Again, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants and other nutrients that your body and your skin needs to regenerate, and has specific nutrients that your body and skin needs for things like wound healing. And then we have eggs. Eggs, a great source of protein. They contain proline, which is an amino acid that is crucial in the building of new collagen. So no matter how you like your eggs, whether they're boiled, over easy, or scrambled, adding those to your diet can actually play an important part of your anti-aging strategy. Next up on the list is one of my favorite ways to get the amino acids that my body needs for collagen, and that is bone broth. Now, if you don't know anything about bone broth, it is made from the bones of animals, thereby making it very rich in calcium and other minerals and nutrients, and those 19 amino acids that you actually need. So a cup of bone broth, or 2 per day, can go a long way to help support the needs that your body has in producing new collagen. Kettle and Fire, one of my favorite brands, also Dr. Kellyanne, has the powdered hydrolyzed bone broth that you mix in water. It's also a really great brand. And of course, I will include resources for all of these down in the video description box, just like I do in every video. Now, all this deliciousness so far is not enough to convince you to add certain things to your diet to help improve your skin's health, your collagen levels, and prevent the signs of aging. I don't know what is, but I have one more thing to share with you that is really my favorite, and that is chocolate. More specifically, cacao. When it comes to the most power-packed thing you can add to your diet, providing a high dose of antioxidants to protect collagen, providing a high-powered dose of antioxidants to protect your existing collagen, enzymes to stimulate fibroblasts to produce more collagen, and inhibiting enzymes that also help prevent the breakdown of collagen. And the way it does this is through its plant flavonols. Flavonols boost your skin's hydration, resilience, and studies have shown its ability to decrease the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Cacao has actually been shown to inhibit MMP1 or metalloproteinase. That is the actual enzyme that is linked to the breakdown of collagen and the formation of wrinkles in the skin. And if that wasn't enough, like tomatoes, with its polyphenols can actually boost your skin's own ability to protect itself from the damaging rays of the sun. So please take a minute and tell me in the comments below which of these you already eat or have in your diet, which surprised you, and which ones you're going to add, because I'd really love to know. Now, I hope you found today's compilation video on collagen, how it works in your body, why it's important, and how to get it through supplementation and your diet helpful. If you did, please like it, share it out. Let me know in the comments below. And for even more ways to roll back the clock on skin and body aging, be sure to check out this video that I picked out for you next. As always, thank you for showing up, watching, and supporting my work. I really do appreciate you. Stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you over on that next video.